months. Ngayon lang din ulit ako nakapag-vlog. I'm so busy right now because I'm working at the same time. I will go to school starting on Monday, which is online class for my prereqs. And right now, I just got home from the store. My son and I, we go for groceries for his lunch that he needs to bring to his school. So he make his own lunch, which is good. And I'm pretty busy lately, guys. I have a long hours on my work, and yeah, that's it. And right now, okay, I have a little garden in our backyard, and I have like tomatoes, but this is not bad yet. So I put it on a Ziploc, and then there's like a water. When I smell it's still good. So I try to preserve this tomato, and now I'm boiling a water and then put in here. And I already put everything in the pantry, and now I'm preparing for our dinner. So I got this slice of beef slice at the grocery store, and then I'll make this tonight for our dinner. And then I will also grill an asparagus. We still have asparagus, and I think we still have leftover broccoli as well, so I can make salad too for the option for my husband's meal. We don't have a problem as long as we have rice. My son and I, we have rice here already, so it's not that really we have to prepare for dinner, because we can just pair it, you know, everything what we got here. So yes, it's a little bit messy here in our kitchen right now because it's been 2 weeks already. I didn't do a general cleaning because I don't have time when I get home. I'm so tired. I just take a shower, go straight to bed. On the next day I have to wake up early again and go to work. So yes, that's my life here, guys. So guys, I just done my 2 online class for today, and after that I called my school. It's just so weird because like I have some courses that I have to register for my prereqs, and I talked to the registrar just a minute ago. They said that I have to finish those 2 courses first before I enroll the rest of the courses that I have to enroll for my prerequisite. So I'm only taking like 2 courses, and the rest of it I have to take it on winter class, or winter semester. So I said, okay, now I got it. Why? Because I'm trying to add 2 more, and then it shows that prereqs test score error. So I really, you know, like I confuse, or like, you know, like I have a lot of questions in my mind why I cannot enroll, because I want to enroll at least 4 courses for this semester, but like it won't allow me. So now I already have an answer for that questions, and so which is good for now. And I can also some of the things that I have to finish for my work, which is complicated. So yeah, I wake up this morning around 4:30 because I have to prepare for my husband's breakfast. He will go back for training, and I go back to sleep around 5:30 and get up again around 6:30. And my son, while I'm doing my online class, my son also left around 8:16 in the morning because his class will be 9, and the school bus will pick him up around 8:30. So yeah, it's gonna be like a very busy day, guys. But you know, like this is very, you know, like challenging to me, but you know, I'm excited about it. And yes, and the thing is, I already start my school, which is good. And you know, I'm really hoping that, you know, everything will work out for my work and for my school, and as a wife, as a mom. I know it's gonna be busy, but I'm also happy doing it because, you know, I really like the course that I'm taking right now, guys. So today I will do some cleaning here in our house, and I have to go to the store because our dog, our baby boy Ringo boy, see, he's looking at me now. He doesn't have food anymore, and I have to pick up his food from the store and then do some cleaning here at home because I have to go back to work tomorrow, guys. Guys, ayan, natapos ko na yung online class ko. 2 subjects lang naman. And ngayon, kumakain ako ng aking lunch. Nagluto ako ng sardinas after ng class ko kasi nga may gagawin pa ako. So tingnan ko na din yung garden ko dun sa likod maya-maya. Kasi parang ilang days na hindi ko na-check kasi nga palaging umuulan. Tapos busy ako. So i-check ko siya after na kakain ako ng lunch ko, guys. Ginisa ko yung sardinas. Yun lang. Tsaka nilagyan ng magic sarap. Right, guys, so punta na tayo sa labas. I-check ko yung garden ko doon. Ang tagal ko na talaga na hindi ko na-check, guys. So tingnan natin pag merong ripe tomato tayo, dalhin natin to. If ever lang. Ang taas na talaga ng ano, manok, ng mais. Dito din si Ringo. Hi, Ringo. Where are you? Where are you? Check ko na din yung manok. Yung dito parang ang bagal ng ano ba tawag di, kamatis na yan. Sinira na naman to ni Ringo, guys. Ayan, blanco yan sa ngayon. So, ayusin ko yan ulit sa mag-fall. Then yung mais natin meron ng bunga. Oh my gosh. Malagkit pa naman to na mais, guys. Ayan na, guys. Pero yung iba ba't wala? Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Ayan. Saan na ba yun? Nakita nyo ba? Yan, oh. Nag-start na siya na bumuo. But ang tagal niya talaga. Yun yung iba. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Yung okra din meron ng bunga. Hindi ako nagtanim ng maraming okra kasi meron na ding bunga, guys. Harvest natin yung pepper. Okay, kailangan ko gumawa ng paraan kasi ang dami kong pepper dun. Ayan. Harvest natin. Na-harvest ko na yung iba nun. Nag-yellow na siya, guys, oh. Ayan, green pa siya. Green. Harvest na din ito nating pepper. Ay, naputol pati yung dahon. Buti hindi ito pinagtripan ng ano, ng squirrel. Tingnan niyo, oh. Yan, maliit. Ang tagal nito mag-ripe, guys. Ayan siya. Green pa, green. Ito naman yung ating, ano ba yan? Parang mamatay naman to. Tingnan nyo, oh. Wala na kasi akong time. Sayang naman to. Buti na lang umulan. Tingnan nyo, oh. yung sitaw natin. Harvest tayo. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, parang nasisira siya. Maliit pa yung iba. Harvest natin ito. Pwede na to adobuhin. Yung kamatis ko parang hindi siya healthy. Ano nangyari dito? Ay! See, nahulog. Okay. Kunin ko na lang kasi nahulog na din. Kailangan ko to siya guys i-open para makapasok tayo dun. Maliit pa yung iba. Pero ito okay na siya. So yung kamatis natin, wala tayong ripe tomato ngayon. Yung okra natin, maliit pa siya. So, ito lang yung na-harvest natin. Punta tayo dun sa manok. Check natin yung... Hey Ringo, stop! Stop Ringo! Ayan, nag-ano. Stop it! Ah! Saglit na. Meron pang tubig. Meron pa dito. Dito yung nilagay yung pagkain. Pero, malapit na siya maubos. Check naman natin yung eggs. Let's see. Isa lang ngayon yung itlog. 1 egg. Alright. Just 1 egg guys. Pero maraming nakuha kapon si Mark. So, ito lang siya. So, balik na tayo guys sa loob. Ayan. Umaambon na naman. Kailangan ko siya i-mow. Pero umaambon na naman guys. So, I don't know kung makapag-mow ako nito. Pero punta ko na ako sa store para bumili ng pagkain ni Ringo. Ringo, come on boy! Boy, come here. Get inside. It's sprinkling. Come here. Come on. Get inside. So, eto lahat nakuha natin guys. Ayan, hugasan natin. Lagay ko lang dito sa dish drain. Malaki oh. Hugasan ko din yung itlog. Isa lang nakuha natin ngayon, pero ang daming nakuha ni Habi kahapon. Ayan. Diyan lang natin ilagay. So, eto yung nakuha ni Habi kahapon. Meron pa tayong old eggs dito. So, di na kami guys talaga bumibili ng itlog. Kasi enough na yung sobra-sobra pa nga yung binibigay sa amin ng manok na itlog. Guys, yung pangalan ng pagkain ng manok, layer pellet. So, kuha lang ako dito. Tsaka i-fill natin dun siya sa food niya na lagayan. Malapit na siya mapuno. Namin siya nito para hindi mapasukan ng tubig. Then dito naman yung tubig sa loob. Ayan. May inom. Hi! Ayan na. Yan. There you go. Good job! Yan extension na ano nila, room. I have to go to the store now para bumili ng pagkain ni Ringo. Then, nagpabili din si Habi ng grits para sa breakfast niya. So, yan yung gagawin natin ngayon. Si Ringo, wala na talaga siyang food. Parking lot. Yun lang naman yung kunin ko, dog food, tsaka yung grits ni Habi. Parang yun lang ata. Check ko yung checklist ko. Ang dami pa palang kulang. Naghahanap ako guys ng organic grits kasi yun yung gusto niya, yung organic grits. So right now guys, we're gonna mow the grass in the front yard. Kaya ang haba na talaga ng mga damo dun. Hopefully dito yung gloves ko. Dito nga. Yan. So ayan guys, tapos na akong mag-mow dun sa labas. Pero pansin nyo, grabe as in. Tingnan nyo, parang naligo ako sa pawis ko. So eto yung damo. Bali itapon ko dun sa likod. Hindi pa nga ako as in totally tapos guys. Pero magpahinga lang muna ako kasi ang init na. As in grabe. So ayan guys, that's all for today's vlog. So continue natin yung vlog natin next time. Hopefully meron akong time para makapag-vlog ulit. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!